Today we're going to make an origami house. To start, you'll need a piece of paper. Fold the paper in half, bringing the shorter sides together. Press down on the fold to make a crisp crease. Fold the paper in half again, bringing the shorter sides together. Unfold the last fold. Next, fold the shorter sides into the center crease of your paper. Open one side and place your finger inside that fold. Slowly move it up to the corner of the fold. Then press down on the top to make a triangle. Do the same on the other side. Flip your paper over and fold back the shorter sides. This will make a nice sharp crease so that your paper can stand up. Completely unfold your paper. You should still see the creases that you made. Next, grab some markers, colored pencils, or crayons and decorate your origami house. Starting at the crease and going halfway down, decorate the roof. You can draw shingles here. Decorate the triangles at the end of your paper the same way. On the side with the roof, draw the front of your house. You'll need a door and maybe some windows. You can draw whatever you want on the outside of your house. On the other side, you'll draw the inside of your house. I'm going to draw a big comfy armchair. A window. A bright lamp behind my chair. And some pictures on the wall. When you're done drawing the front and the inside of your house, fold the paper following the creases you had made earlier. Finally, decorate the sides of your house. I'm drawing some bright green grass with flowers. That's how you make an origami house. Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.